This is a walkthrough for the dictation element of the AQA GCSE French Higher. And so we're going to have a look through at the differences of what the previous spec was. We didn't used to have the dictation in the previous spec. So now we have the dictation, and I'm just going to give you a few step-by-step guidelines how to approach it. So you hear the sentences 3 times, which is different to the other questions in the listening paper where you only hear them twice. For the dictation, you hear it 3 times. You hear it the first time as a whole sentence. Don't start writing until you've heard that first one to the end. And then the second time you hear it broken down, and then the third time you hear it again as a full complete sentence. So I'm going to go through now, and you're going to write down your 5 sentences. So pause the video now if you're not ready, write down 1 to 5, and then write down your sentences as I say them. Sentence number 1. Notre chien est noir. Notre chien est noir. Notre chien est noir. Number 2. Un ami écoute avec attention. Un ami écoute avec attention. Un ami écoute avec attention. Number 3. Il faut dire aux enfants de manger sain. Il faut dire aux enfants de manger sain. Il faut dire aux enfants de manger sain. Number 4. J'ai mis du jambon dans ce plat. J'ai mis du jambon dans ce plat. J'ai mis du jambon dans ce plat. Number 5. Je serai pilote d'avion. Je serai pilote d'avion. Je serai pilote d'avion. So have a look through and see if you need to add any accents or double check your spelling. Remember liaison, when the next word starts with a vowel, so does that affect the spelling? That's a key skill with this. And now we're going to look at the answers. So here are the answers. Just pause it here and mark your work. And then this is the mark scheme here. So you get marked for AO1 for communication is out of 5. And then AO3 is the accuracy. So again, pause this here and see what you would give yourself. And I'm just going to show you a few key things to take into consideration. So this is all available on the AQA website if you want to have a look for yourself. But there's a few students' work who've been marked here just to give you an idea. So the accents only really make a difference if it changes the meaning of the word. So for example here, manger is the incorrect spelling, but they've still got full marks, so they've still got 10 out of 10. It's ami in the feminine, but it's in the masculine un, so that's not correct. There's no accent on écoute, but they still give the full marks. So it doesn't need to be 100% perfect to still get full marks. And again, pause it to read the commentary here. There's another one here, 4 out of 5, and then 3 out of 5. Again, pause it here to read what the commentary says, and then it goes down and down. So student 3 is making more mistakes. Again, pause it here. And then student 4 only gets 2 out of 10, but you can have a look and read that there. I hope this has been helpful, and please send any comments through if you want to double check anything with me. Bonne chance, au revoir.